All right, folks, cameraman here. We have a 1992 Acura Legend. Back in the day, this was a luxury cruiser, okay? And they're fast. They got a lot of power. So once it clears out a little bit over here, we're gonna see what Stuntman can do. Told you! Would I lie? I would never lie! Oh my gosh, it's still going. I can't see anything. It's still going, folks. Folks, look at that patch. I told you this thing had power. He's coming back around, everyone. Wow, that thing's got balls. He's coming back through. Power! Yeah, 100%. You let the smoke clear, folks. Look at that. Let it clear. Let it clear out. He's coming back around. All right, folks. Posse! Wow! Wow. Wow. Incredible. Note to self, folks. Get myself an Acura Legend. Wow, this thing's a legend. It's already a legend in my mind. Wow, Stuntman. How do you like it, Stunt? And this thing's down 10 horsepower from the overheat! What a fucking animal! That thing's a beast. I want to restore this fucking thing! Wow, this is one of my favorites. I mean, let's check out these patches that went down here. Look at this. Folks, it had a positive traction front wheel drive burnout that just never stopped. Incredible. We got a fan here, folks. A fan.